the one that comes to mind first and foremost is net retention. That's going to factor in expansion revenue, but it also balances out with revenue churn that happens in the business. So, ultimately, if you're tied to a number as a revenue leader, so it's going to be revenue. On top of net retention, just like any sales leader, and I mentioned this in a previous answer, just like any sales leader, I've got a pipeline that I manage, and I'm looking at conversion rates across the stages. I'm taking a look at where things are held up in the sales pipeline for expansion opportunities.